Most people spend hours customizing wallpapers, themes, and widgets on a new phone. But there's one thing that matters way more than any of that, and it could literally save your life someday. Your Galaxy S26 has powerful built-in safety and emergency features that many users completely ignore, and honestly, that's a huge mistake. Because beyond simply calling for help, your phone can automatically send your location, capture photos using both cameras, and even record audio during emergencies. That means your emergency contacts can instantly get a better idea of what's happening and where you are. So before you move on to apps, games, or social media, take a few minutes to configure these emergency settings first. Hello everyone, it's Grace again and welcome to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. In today's video, I'll show you the first 5 emergency and SOS settings you should configure right away on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Let's get started. To begin, swipe up from the bottom of the home screen to open the Apps tray. Then tap the gear icon to launch the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and tap Safety and Emergency. This section contains all the important emergency features built into your Galaxy S26. The first setting to configure is Medical Info, so tap Medical Info. This allows first responders or emergency personnel to view important health information directly from your lock screen. Now enter your details like your name, blood type, allergies, medications, and medical conditions. Once you're done filling out the form, tap Save. Now here's the important part. Turn on the switch beside Show on Lock screen. This makes your medical information visible even when the phone is locked, which can be extremely important during emergencies. Also turn on Share during emergency calls and texts. This allows your emergency information to be shared automatically whenever you contact emergency services. Finally, tap Agree to confirm. And just so you know, you can update this information anytime by tapping the pencil icon at the top right corner. The second setting is Add Emergency Contacts. Return to the main Safety and Emergency menu, then tap Emergency Contacts. From here, tap Add Emergency Contact. Select the people you trust the most, like family members, close friends, or anyone who should be notified during emergencies. You can add multiple contacts if needed. After adding them, make sure the switches for Show on Lock screen and Share during emergency calls and texts are both enabled. This ensures your emergency contacts can still be accessed even if your phone is locked. Need to remove or replace a contact later? Just tap the 3-dot icon at the top right corner, then tap Remove. Select the contact you want to delete or tap All to remove everyone at once. The third setting is Enable Emergency SOS. This is one of the most important features on your Galaxy S26. Return to the main menu, then tap Emergency SOS. Here, you'll see instructions explaining how to activate SOS mode. In an emergency, simply press the side button 5 times quickly. That alone can immediately trigger emergency actions on your device, so definitely remember that shortcut. Now let's customize the options underneath. First, you'll see Require Swipe to Call. If this is enabled, you'll need to swipe the Call button on screen after pressing the side button 5 times. Some people prefer this to avoid accidental emergency calls. Others prefer turning it off for faster emergency access. Choose whichever works best for you. The fourth setting is Configure Emergency Number and SOS Sharing. Still inside the Emergency SOS menu, tap Emergency Number to call. Here you can choose which number your phone should contact during emergencies. You can leave it set to 911 or your region's emergency hotline. Or you can select a custom number and enter a specific person or organization. After entering the number, tap Done. Now go back and turn on Send SOS to emergency contacts. If this is your first time enabling it, Samsung will guide you through a quick setup process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. When you reach the emergency sharing section, you'll see your selected emergency contacts. Now here's where things get really powerful. Under Share Your Surroundings, turn on Attach Pictures. Your Galaxy S26 can automatically use the front and rear cameras to capture images during emergencies and include them in your SOS messages. That gives your contacts visual information about your surroundings. Next, turn on Attach Audio Recording. This lets your phone record a 5-second audio clip and include it with the SOS alert. You'll be asked to grant permissions for camera and microphone access, so just follow the prompts. And if you want to see how everything works, tap Start Emergency Sharing to test the feature. Your phone may temporarily enable Wi-Fi and location services while sending emergency updates. The fifth setting is Crisis Alerts. Return to the main Safety and Emergency menu one more time, then tap Crisis Alerts. This feature is usually enabled by default, and you should absolutely leave it turned on. Crisis alerts notify you about natural disasters, severe weather conditions, public emergencies, and other critical situations happening in your area. It's one of those features you hope you never need, but you'll definitely appreciate having when something serious happens. And those are the first 5 emergency settings you should configure immediately on your Samsung Galaxy S26. These features only take a few minutes to set up, but they can make a huge difference during emergencies. So don't skip them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel for more Galaxy S26 tutorials, tips, and hidden features. Also stay tuned for the next video as it will highlight the remaining safety and emergency settings on your Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching and stay safe.